Hi everyone, Amber Canoa here with Everyday Kentucky. Thanks for joining us for a journey around the bluegrass where we're adding life to your years. And DG, you have brought us to Commonwealth Smiles today.
Yes, we're here at Commonwealth Smiles because it's important to focus on our oral health as we get older.
DG, I know as we age, a lot of things happen. A lot of things become more difficult. And I would not have thought that even just brushing your teeth could be one of those issues. But Dr. Jessica Kress, you're telling us that that is a real possibility. People really struggle with some of those dexterity issues.
They do. So arthritis is a big problem for a lot of adults. Then you throw Alzheimer's in there and people just forget what they're doing. So I see a lot of families, a lot of healthcare providers who come in, and I'm glad they do. They come in as a support person for this patient I'm now seeing. And so I love giving tips and tricks. If you're not already using an electric toothbrush, that's the easiest thing to invest in. And they've got great deals on them. We sell different options in our office. There's little silicone picks that you can use between teeth. There are things called water flossers, and people think that it's the same as floss. It's not, but it's a good sidekick to floss, and so it's better than nothing, right? So we've got to see where the patient's at, how bad is it, and let me help work with you to see how we can get in there and remove that bacteria that's causing irreparable damage. I mean, it's associated to heart disease, diabetes. There's all kinds of issues that are related to the germs in our mouth, and so we've got to get them out of there.
Do you like those little picks that have plastic on them?
Right, so those are floss picks. Again, better than nothing. I have 8-year-old twins, it's about all they can do, so we'll do it. But flossing, standard floss is the best, and I'm not trying to sound hardcore as a dentist, but I will get in there and show you how to use it, and then maybe we'll use your nurse or your spouse who can help get in there, you know? There's no shame in that. Let's do this together because we love each other.
And I do love the water picks. I'm just going to say.
I use one too.
Yeah, they're a nice add-on.
And you can use it in the shower. They make a mess. In my house, like water everywhere, right? Just get in the shower and do it.
All right.
Good idea.
Well, for more tips, go to WKYT.com. Journey.
Add life to years. A journey around the bluegrass is brought to you by Aging with Grace.